Samsung will have its developer conference on October 3rd this year, where they will most likely show off their most recent software improvements, such as Galaxy AI, Tizen OS Knox, and One UI. We're currently in mid-September, and the One UI 7 beta is still nowhere to be seen. Since there has been discussion of a delay in the beta program, it is still unclear whether a UI 7 will really arrive soon. With the developer conference just around the horizon, some believe Samsung may bypass the beta completely and move directly to the public release. The Galaxy S24 series beta is still unknown. There were reports in mid-July that the beta will begin on July 31st in South Korea, but that did not materialize. We did see some alleged screen photos from the new firmware and app icon images leaked online, but no one is talking about them now. The company that follows Samsung firmware has not discovered any beta test versions yet. Samsung seems to be pushing forward with creating One UI 7, although it's difficult to anticipate when the beta for the S24 series will be released. It seems that Android 15 is to blame for the delay in the One UI 7 beta. Google is expected to release Android 15 stable version next month, although there has been a noteworthy adjustment. The Pixel 9 series, which debuted last month, arrived with last year's OS rather than the most recent version, implying that Google may still be working on Android 15. Because Samsung's single UI is based on Android, this delay may have also had an influence on their timeline. Its first major upgrade will be the Galaxy S24 series One UI 7. Samsung has been testing the new firmware mark with a B build on a regular basis, but fans are still waiting for the Z build, which often arrives right before a beta release. While everything points to continuous development, it is uncertain when or if the beta will begin this year. As a fan, I completely understand your desire for a good conclusion. Samsung has always ran beta programs in the past, but with these potential delays, we may see a shift in approach. It's still a waiting game, but I believe we'll see a beta, even if it's later than expected. A moderator on Samsung's Korean community forum recently shed light on the reason for the One UI 7 beta delay. According to their article, numerous conversations are still going on because of new features that are creating the holdup. Before releasing the public beta, it seems that Samsung is concentrating on improving the stability of its overhauled UI. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.